Welcome back to my Operating Systems Lab Series 2. In this video, we'll cover commands for printing, managing directories, and checking disk space. These are essential for organizing and maintaining your Linux system. Let's get started. First, let's talk about printing. Linux can send files to a printer via a command line. The lpr command prints files to the default printer by submitting them to the print queue. For example, lpr report1.txt sends the report1 text to the printer. If you want to specify a particular printer and not the default printer, you can use lpr-p with the printer name and the file name. So to see what's in the print queue, we can use lpq. And we can see that we have one printable job in the print queue, which is the report1.txt. So the job ID for the printing is 88. Let's say we want to cancel a print job. Then we would do lprm and the print job number. It tells you that it has already dequeued this from the print job. So if we do lpq, you can see that there are no printable jobs in the queue. Now let's look at copying and deleting directories recursively. To copy directories, use cp with the -r, which is the recursive option. For example, cp-r folder1 folder2 copies the entire folder1 and its subfolders to folder2. For instance, cp-r BLA2 copy copies the BLA2 directory to the copy directory. So let's do that. cp-r BLA2 copy. Just enter. ls. So you can see we have the BLA folder and the copy folder. If we change directory to copy and list the contents, you can see the BLA directory and all its contents have been copied into the copy folder. So that means the nested files and the directories are all duplicated. To remove directories, use the rm-r. Unlike rmdir, which only removes empty directories, rm-r will delete a directory and everything inside it. The rm-r option stands for recursive removal. It will delete the specified directory and all its contents. I will demonstrate. So we have rm-r BLA2. We want to remove this from the copy directory. Press enter, and if you ls, you can see that the BLA2 directory and all its contents have been removed from the copy directory. Now let's check disk usage with the df command, which stands for disk free. To check free space on your disk, use df. The df command reports how much space is used and available on each file system. By default, the df shows all mounted file systems in kilobytes. If you add a -h after the df, then it shows human-friendly sizes in megabytes or gigabytes. If you give df a directory or file path, it shows the usage for a file system containing that path. Example, df tilde, remember that means your home directory. It tells you how much your file system in your home directory contains, and it avoids sifting through all disks if you only care about your home folder or home directory. Now, I'm also sharing a few bonus commands. The du command, like dush, shows a directory's total size in human-friendly format. So here du-sh tilde for the home directory shows the directory's total size in a human-friendly format. While df covers the entire file system, du reports how much space for specific files or directories are using. The other command that I want to share with you is the diff command. Diff file1 text file2 shows the difference between two files. So let's change to the BLA2 directory. And let's get the difference between report1.txt and report2.txt. You can see that this displays the differences between the two files. Another command that I want to share with you is wc. wc for a file name, so let's say report2.txt, can be used to count lines, words, or characters. So you can see here that the report2.txt has 1 line, 6 words, and 32 characters. Now we have covered printing and file system management. Don't forget, be careful with the rm-r because this command is permanent. Keep practicing these commands to manage your system effectively. In the next video, we will explore processes and pipes. For now, keep practicing and happy learning!